Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for a wig. So I went to Hair City. By the way, the service at this particular branch was terrible. I was appalled. Like, I walked in, the girls were not even interested. They sat on their phones. And then I'm like, do you have this? And I said the name of the hair, and then they were like confused, looking all puzzled, like they didn't know what I was talking about. Then I had to get on my phone on the website, showed them the picture, and then they were like, then they looked at each other, like they were so clueless. Then they looked at each other, and then they were like, we don't know. Everything you see on the floor is all that we have. Such a cop-out. And so I'm like, okay. Then I walk around, I see something that's pretty, and it was on the highest shelf. So I'm like, could you please get this down so I can have a look? And then she like sluggishly gets there, and I'm like, wow, okay, this is terrible service, customer service. If you guys don't want to be here, there's plenty of people that do. Okay, take your job seriously. Eventually I look at the hair. It wasn't really what I wanted. I put it back, and then I settle on this other piece. Okay. Anywho, I settle on this piece, which I eventually got. But then I go to the counter and I'm like, here's a voucher, because you know they have all these 100 rands off online or in store like almost every weekend. So I show them the voucher, and then they were like, no, it's not valid. And I'm like, what do you mean it's not valid? It says right here, 100 rands off from any purchase above 400, and the purchase was like 1,000. So these ladies were like irking me. And then I'm like, okay, check on the system where I can get the actual hair that I want. And they're like, oh, the system is offline. And you know, I know that sentence. I know that phrase. Because homegirl thought she was tricking me. Girl, I worked in retail. I know the drill, okay? When a customer is either pissing you off or you don't want to do your job and you're being a lazy ass, the phrase, the to-go phrase is system is offline, because that just ends any kind of conversation. You know, they won't be able to look for stuff. You won't be able to help them. You can't recommend or refer or do anything. So that's just like an end-all be-all of get out of here, I don't want to help you. So I was really pissed. I was like, I looked at her and chuckled, because I'm like, I know that phrase, girl. You're not really offline. You just don't want to help me. Okay, fine, bye. Then I asked for a loyalty card, because I know they have those, and every time you purchase, you get like a tick, and then after a certain number of ticks, then you get a discount or a voucher or free hair or something. And then she's like, oh, they're finished. Like, she was just in a mood. Actually, both of them. The one was actually a bit trying. She was pretending to try, but the other one was just on her phone, slouching. She didn't even have the time of day. And I was like, okay, is that so? Okay, I'll have a word with your manager then. Like, you know what? I get so annoyed when people just don't want to do the basic of their job. I didn't ask for that much. I mean, anywho. So I left a comment on the website, and I asked them to contact me back, because that's unacceptable. So here we are with my second choice. So Equal is the brand, and the type is Maddie. Where's that? And this is what it looks like. It's a long blonde wig. So drum roll, please. Ding. Okay, this comes in a weird packaging. Usually it's like a sealed box. Nevertheless, this is really weird. Okay. Okay, so this is her. Hey, Maddie. Hey, Maddie. Hey, Maddie. And then she has like an ombre thing and a bit of a lace too. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I'm allergic to bullshit from the store. Ooh. I'm allergic to bullshit from the store you come from, baby. I hope you're not bullshit. Okay, do we need a moment? I can't do this. Okay, it has a net, which is like really flaccid and not even gonna help. Ouch. Guys, I'm falling apart. Okay. So, this is she. She comes with combs, an adjustable strap, and 2 more combs. So yeah, do you want to see what she looks like on? Okay, the feel is fine. It's soft. It feels like synthetic hair. It isn't like Brazilian or 100% natural. So it does feel like synthetic hair, but it's still smooth and it's pretty, you know, it's pretty, is it flexible or what's the term? That. And if you give me a minute, I'm gonna try her on and be right back. Boom. Okay. So this is her. This is Maddie. I still have the lace on. I haven't cut it yet, but this is like a preview of what she's really like. Oops, I haven't cut the tag or anything yet. So I think I like her. I mean, you know, blondes have more fun. I agree. When I have my blonde braids in or blonde hair, I totally have more fun. It's like a real thing. So yeah, this is Maddie. What do you guys think? And she's kind of really long too. Like, she reaches my belly button. Okay, okay. That's kind of long. But yeah. I'll see. I don't know what else to say. She feels good. She looks good. And apparently you can style it with a curling iron. It has a thing here that says curling iron safe. So we'll see about that. The day I wear her and style her, then I'll let you guys know. So the link will be in the description, and I will wait and see what this company has to say for their ill treatment, because no, that was unacceptable. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.